afternoon, everyone. I'm Patrick Johnston, managing broker of LasTerrenasLife.com and GoDominicanLife.com here in beautiful La Romana on the east coast of the Dominican Republic. We're here at Teck Furniture, and Teck Furniture services all the high-end homes from Bávaro, Punta Cana, right through to Casa de Campo and Beahibe in here in the east coast by providing high-end furniture. Most of this furniture has been imported from Indonesia and Thailand. So you want to see something really cool, some unique furniture for your high-end home? Let's go take a look. Come on with me. Wasn't that furniture awesome? Look, you can get everything you want in this country. You want standard furniture made in the Dominican Republic. You want to have imported furniture like Teck right here. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. We have lots of selection here in the country to choose for your home. So, like always, like the video, give us your thumbs up, give us a comment, tell us what you want to see next. But most importantly, my WhatsApp number here, 829-525-1782. Reach out to me anytime. We'd love to help you on real estate and all the support services here in the country. Okay? Adios, amigo. Bye for now.